Hello.
Hello,
Hello,
teacher.
Pretty Lamnya. How are you?
I'm happy.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so let me just share the screen. Can you hear me well?
Yes.
Yes. All right now. Okay, so we are now in lesson 4, countries. Okay, Lamnya. Are you familiar with countries? Yes. Okay. Aside from Vietnam, countries, what countries do you know?
Vietnam.
Aside from Vietnam, what else? What country would do you like to visit in the future? Hmm? What country do you like to visit that you are interested to visit? What else? What country?
Vietnam.
Vietnam. Okay. How about China? Do you want to visit China someday?
No.
No? Okay. How about, okay, let's start with Asia. How about Thailand, Indonesia?
No.
No. How about Philippines?
Korea.
Korea. Oh, I see. Okay, South Korea. Okay, so you are interested to visit South Korea? South Korea. Okay, very good. How about Japan?
Mm. Yes.
Yeah, Japan and South Korea. Okay. So let's watch a video first, Lamnya. Okay, look at the screen. Okay, and listen carefully. We will going to watch a video before we proceed on our exercises. Let's watch a video. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay.
This is
Is there a sound, Lamnya?
yes.
Yes.
Maria. She's playing a game with her family. This is her grandfather. This is her grandmother. They are her grandparents. This is her aunt. And these are all her cousins. They are all from Mexico. This is their flag. It is green, white, and red. Mexico is a big country. This is Ahmed. He's with his cousins. They're from Turkey.
Excuse me.
This is their flag. It's red and white. Turkey is a beautiful country. This is Lena. She's eating with her sister, her parents, her aunt and uncle, and her grandparents. They are all from China. This is their flag. China is a big country. Where are you from? What color is your flag?
Okay, Lanya. Where are you from?
My from Vietnam.
Yes, I'm from. Okay, I'm from Vietnam. Okay. And what is the color of your flag?
Yellow and red.
Okay, yellow and
Red.
red. Very good. Okay, now. So let's move to exercise B. Listen, point, and say. Okay, let's start with Mexico.
Mexico.
Okay, one more. Mexico.
Mexico.
Very good. Number 2, Japan.
Japan.
Number 3, Russia.
Russia.
Okay, Russia.
Russia.
Very good. Okay, number 4, Turkey.
Turkey.
Well done. Okay, number 1, what country is it again?
Mexico.
What flag?
Mexico.
Mexico. Very good. Number 2.
Japan.
Mm-hmm.
Russia.
It's Russia. Russia.
Russia.
Okay, number 4.
Turkey.
Turkey. Well done. Very good. Okay, exercise C. Listen and say, then listen and read. Okay, can you read the example here? Lamnya. Okay,
This is our
our
flag. Our
it's
is our
it's ours.
us.
Yes, it's ours. Okay, okay, one more.
This is our
Their
There's flag
it's
is
theirs.
theirs.
Okay, you're just going to add s. Okay, for example, ours, theirs. Okay, your turn. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
What is it again?
Are us.
Very good.
Theirs.
Theirs. Okay, well done. Okay, number 1. We're from. Okay, let's start reading.
Mm, mm, we live from Mexico.
We're from.
We're from Mexico.
Mm-hmm.
Our flag
This is.
is our flag.
Very good.
Is our flag.
It's ours.
Ours.
Mm-hmm. It's
White and red.
very good. Okay, number 2.
We're from Japan. This is our flag.
Mm-hmm.
It has a red circle. Is ours.
Very good. Well done, Lamia. Okay, number 3.
They're from Russia.
Mm-hmm.
Is their flag. Russia flag is white, blue, and red. Is this
It's theirs.
theirs?
Okay, it's theirs. Russia's with S. Russia's flag.
Russia flag.
Okay, one more with S. Russia's flag.
Flag.
One more.
Russia flag.
Very good. Okay, just try to add S. To pronounce the S. Okay, Lamnya? Russia's
Russia,
flag.
Russia,
Very good. Russia's flag. Okay. Number 4. There.
where
Oops.
from this is the flag is theirs is red and white.
Okay, Turkey.
Turkey,
All right, well done. How about you, Lamnya? I want you to describe your flag. Okay, so these are the example. For example, I'm from Philippines, and this is our flag. Our flag is white, blue, red, and yellow. It's ours. Okay, how about you? Tell me about your flag. Describe your flag. This is the example. You can choose any from here.
from
Mhm.
Vietnam.
I'm from.
I'm from Vietnam. This is the
This
flag
is our.
is our
Our.
is ours
Very good. It's.
red and yellow.
Very good. Well done. Okay, so it's ours. It's red and yellow. Okay, now let's proceed to the next page. Read and circle. Okay, Lamnya. Read. Can you please read number 1 for me and answer it by yes or no?
No.
Okay, number 1. Let's start reading.
Mexico's flag is green and blue.
Mm-hmm. Is it
No.
green and blue? No. Okay, so what is the color of the Mexican's flag?
A green, white, blue,
Huh? Is it blue?
blue. Red.
Red. Okay, green, white, and red. Well done. Okay, number 2.
Japan flag has red circle. Yes.
Yes, okay. How about in Vietnam's flag? What it have?
Is
What do you call the shape?
red and yellow.
Okay, what is yellow? What is the shape of the yellow color in your flag? Hmm?
I don't know.
It's called star. The shape,
Star.
yes, the shape is stars. Okay, number 3.
Russia flag is blue and yellow.
Is it blue and yellow, Russia's flag?
No.
No. What is the color of Russian's flag?
White, blue, red.
Okay, very good. White, blue, and red. Well done, Lamnya. Okay, you have a good memory. Number 4.
Mm,
Turkeys.
is the Turkey flag is red and white.
Okay, is it red and white?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, the answer is yes. Well done. Okay, perfect. Okay, now exercise E, listen and match. Okay, I will going to play an audio for this one so we can do this activity. Okay, Lamnya, and listen carefully. All right? So while listening, you can also write down your answer in your book, in your student book. Okay? Okay, let me just play audio. It's page 39. Oops.
Page 39. E. Listen and match. Right. 1,
This is our flag. It's red and white. We are from Turkey.
2,
We are from Japan. Our flag has a red circle.
3,
This is our flag. It is red, white, and blue. We are from Russia.
4,
Our flag is green, white, and red. We are from Mexico.
Page 39.
Okay, one more, Lamnya. Or it's
No.
enough? It's enough? Okay, let's start answering. Listen and match. Okay, Taran and Layla. Where do you think they are from? Taran and Layla. Where do you think they are from? Are they from Russia, from Mexico, from Turkey, or from Japan?
Turkey.
Yes, they are from Turkey. Okay, letter C. Okay, how about, okay, can you read their name? Makio and Ria. Okay.
Japan.
Yes, they are from Japan. Okay, how about number 3? Elena and Anton.
Is from Russia.
Yes, from Russia. Okay, last one. Natalie and Mateo. Natalia and Mateo.
Is from Mexico.
Yes, they are from Mexico. Well done, Lamnya. Okay. Letter F. Look at the flags, ask and answer. Okay, can you read this for me, Lamnya? Can you read this for me? Whose flag?
Whose flag is this? Is this?
Theirs.
Yes.
Okay, it's theirs. Okay, let's try again. Whose flag is this? Oops.
Is theirs.
Okay, it's.
Is theirs.
Okay, it's theirs. What's the name again of the person, of the people?
Is Vietnam.
It's theirs. Elena and.
Is there and
Very good. And Anton. Okay. Whose flag is this?
is is this Mexico
Whose flag is this?
is this Mexico and India.
Is it Makyo and Ria? Are they from Japan? Are they from Mexico? Look at the line.
Oh,
The line is
Natia,
Natalia.
Alia, and Mateo.
Mateo. Very good. Okay, now let's move to letter C. Okay. Whose flag is this?
Is Thailand and
Layla.
Layla.
Okay, it's theirs. Taran and Layla. Okay, letter D. Last one. Whose flag is this?
Is
It's theirs.
Makio, and Dia.
Okay, it's theirs. Don't forget, it's theirs.
Makio, and Dia.
Okay, it's theirs. Okay, one more. Can you pronounce this word again? Oops.
Is there.
Theirs. With S. Theirs.
There.
Okay, very good. It's theirs. Alright. Okay, now so let's move on to check up 2, units 3 and 4. Okay, turn the page on page 40. Okay, Lamnya? So let's have a review. Okay, listen, number, and write. Okay, let me play. Oops. Okay, there's no need. What do you think of this item? What is this thing? What do you call it?
Spoon.
Hmm?
Pen.
This cutlery, what is this? We used to eat?
Is spoon.
Yes, it's spoon. Okay, spoon. Okay, how about her? What kind of occupation do you think she have?
She has red.
She is?
It is red.
She is a vet. Okay, she is a vet, a doctor to animals. Okay. And what country is showing on the frame? What country is it?
Is Mexico.
Yes, very good. It is Mexico. Okay, how about her? What do you think she's feeling?
Is
She have? She have?
she has
Mm-hmm.
headache.
Very good. She have headache. Okay. How about him?
Is uncle.
He's okay. Can be uncle. Well, if you are going to talk about family, can be uncle or dad. Okay. Last picture.
Um,
Hmm? Okay. There's something wrong with this picture. What do you think it is, Lamnya? Can you spot what is wrong with this picture?
is
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Look carefully at the picture. What is wrong with this picture? Mm-hmm. What do you think is her occupation? Is her work or job? She is?
it is playing playing.
Okay, but she's holding she have a stethoscope. She have a stethoscope. So there's wrong there's a mistake in this picture. What do you think it is?
Flying.
Yes. She is flying plane, but she is holding a stethoscope, which indicating that she is not a pilot. She is a doctor. Okay? She is a doctor. She is a doctor. Okay, not a pilot. Okay, Lamnya? All right, now. Exercise B, read, circle, and number. Okay. Okay, let's start with this activity. Let's start reading. Number 1.
Number 1 is
Mm-hmm.
Librarian.
Librarian.
Works.
Very good. Works at. Okay, complete the sentence. The
The
librarian
librarian
mhm,
works
at
at the library.
very good at the library. Okay, which picture do you think is the librarian here? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Picture number 1, 2, 3, or 4?
Oh,
Okay, picture number 4. Okay, librarian. He's holding a book. Okay, number 2.
he's the
Hmm?
Danny
At,
Graham.
mhm.
He
Okay, what is your answer? His or their?
is
Is it his?
there.
Their.
Danny Graham Harry.
Yes, grandparents, plural. Okay. Okay, which
He
picture? Picture number 1 or 2?
two.
Number 2. Very good. Okay, number 3. He
He's Harvard.
it's have. Have. He have.
A stomach ache.
Okay, he have. Have.
Stomach ache.
Okay. Can you pronounce this word for me, Lamnya? He have.
He have a stomach ache.
Very good. Okay, picture 1 or 3?
One.
1. Okay, sorry. Okay, last one. Number 4.
This is a flag.
Okay, what is your answer? There or are?
R.
Are. Okay, because they are holding the flag. So this is our flag. Okay, picture number
3.
3. Okay, very good. Well done, Lamnya. Okay, now, can you repeat your answer from number 1? Complete the sentence. The librarian
Librarian. The librarian book
with S works
works. The librarian works
at
at
mhm, at the
the
library.
library.
Okay, library. The librarian works at the library. Okay, number 2.
Their tiny grandparents.
Very good. Okay, number 3. He
Stomach ache.
okay, he have a stomach ache. Number 4. Last one.
These are flag.
This is our
This is our flag.
very good. Okay, well done, Lamnya. Okay, now let's proceed to exercise C. What does the bus driver do? What does the bus driver do?
One.
Okay, it's number 1. But how will you gonna describe His job, his work. What does the bus driver do? What does he do?
The, the, the library.
Hmm? He drives
He drives
buses.
buses.
Okay, he drives buses. Okay, number 2.
They
Who are they?
They are
They are
they are
they are parents. Okay, they are parents.
parents.
Okay, number 3. Whose cup is that?
Who cup is
That.
it?
It's
It
hers.
is hers.
Okay, it's hers.
Hers.
Okay, number 4. Who works at the restaurant?
Debbie.
The
The
server
never
or waiter.
or waiter.
Okay, now. Alright, Lamnya, since we don't have much time, we will going to continue our discussion. Okay, we will start from here again tomorrow. Tomorrow. Okay, same time. Okay? Okay, I'll see you again, Lamnya, tomorrow. Have a good night. Or have a good day. It's still early. Okay, Lamnya. Bye-bye.